Tao po! Tao po! Tao po! Ma'am Rose Anquiles po. Ayan, ma'am, meron pong nagpapabigay po nito para po sa inyo. Ari po.
Bakit po advance?
Ayan, flowers for you po. At ito ma'am ang balloons po para po sa inyo. At meron din po yung kasama pong mga pagkain. At syempre po ang cake.
Thank you po.
Ayan, ma'am, babasahin ko naman po yung message para po sa inyo. As you blow out the candles, know that you are getting a year older and more incredible with each passing day. Happy birthday to my amazing wife. You make every day brighter. I love you more than words can say. First time, that just one of the many reasons I'm so lucky to have you. I can't wait to celebrate with you today. And again, happy birthday to the love of my life. My beautiful wife, I love you both forever and ever. Ayan. So, ma'am, ano po ba ang gusto niyo pong sabihin kay sir? At muli po ulit kayo niyang isinurpresa, ma'am.
Hindi ko expect. Kasi nga, advance. Thank you. Kahit malayo ka ay na-surprise mo ulit ako. Advance pa. Yun lang. Salamat. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Ayan. So, ngayon ma'am, muli po namin kayong binabati, ma'am, ng happy birthday!
Thank you po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ayan, so Ma'am Rose Ann, dahil ang 35th birthday mo, ma'am, make a wish po and then blow your candle, ma'am. Ayan, so Ma'am Rose Ann, once again po, happy birthday, ma'am! Ayan, at muli ma'am, kami po ay magpapakilala para po sa inyo. Kami po ang Rain Surprise Delivery all the way from Barangay Calicanto, San Juan, Batangas. At muli ka namin ma'am binabati ng happy birthday!